Hi, our next lesson is Hasmina's butterfly. Okay, do you know that butterfly has one of the most unusual life cycles? It comes out of an egg to become a caterpillar, then a pupa and finally a beautiful butterfly. This entire process is called metamorphosis. We have all chased butterflies but never caught one. This is a story about a little girl who caught a butterfly. Let's find out what she did with it. Isn't it? Have you ever tried to catch a butterfly? Okay. If yes, very good. Now let us see about a girl who have caught it, and her story is regarding that butterfly, how she experienced her day with that butterfly. Hasmina was wide awake in her bed. She had woken up from a marvelous dream in which she had won the hockey match in the inter-school competition. She was just getting ready to receive the trophy when the alarm rang. She got a very good dream, marvelous dream. What is that? In which she had won the hockey match and she was about to take the trophy from the school principal. So she was getting ready to receive the trophy. Suddenly she awoke. She woke up. The alarm rang. So then she woke up. But Hasmina was not too unhappy to get up. She ran straight into her study table. There, in an empty jam bottle with the holy lid, was a treasure, a colorful little butterfly. How beautiful it had been to catch it, and now it was going to be a part of a science project in school. After getting up from sleep, she didn't feel bad. Suddenly she remembered one thing and she ran to the room where there is a study table. There was an empty jar, and in it was a butterfly, a colorful butterfly. Actually she caught it. She tried very hard to catch that butterfly, and it was a part of a science project. Science sir asked her to get it. The project required Hasminas to submit the study of a living creature every month. Most of her classmates drew diagrams from the books as part of this exercise, but Hasmina was going to do something different. She was going to present a live creature, her butterfly. So what she did? Actually, many of her friends, they drew the picture, the life cycle of the butterfly, and they brought it to the school. But Hasmina, she is quite different from the rest of the girls. So what she did? She caught a live butterfly and she is going to present a live creature. Hasmina loved the different colors on the wings of the butterfly, red, green and blue. How beautiful it looked when it fluttered its wings. Hasmina had made a few holes in the cap of the bottle to let air pass through. So she caught a butterfly and she kept a jam bottle, and then she kept holes on the cap. She dressed in a hurry and left for school. When she reached school, the gate was not wholly open for once. Hasmina was early to school. When you are ready with your homeworks and very interesting going on in your school, what do? You get up early, you get dressed and you come to school fast. Isn't it the same way? Hasmina was also very happy because she bought the science project. A few children were playing in the field. Any other day would have seen Hasmina joining them without a second thought. She joined them to play. She was feeling very happy. But today she walked straight into her class. Every day she used to go and play with her friends and she don't want to go to the class. But today she didn't have another thought. She went straight into the class. She opened the window and placed the bottle on the windowsill. విండో సిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేయగానే విండో ఓపెన్ చేయగానే విండో సిల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అక్కడ పెట్టింది. The golden rays of the sun streamed through the glass on the delicate wings of the butterfly. సో అలా విండో డోర్ నుంచే కదా మనకు సన్ రేస్ లాన్కి వచ్చేది. సో అట్లానే అలా ఓపెన్ చేయగానే ఆ సన్ స్ట్రీమ్ త్రూ ద గ్లాస్, ఆ గ్లాస్లో నుంచి కూడా సన్ రేస్ పడి డెలికేట్ వింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బటర్ఫ్లై, ఆ డెలికేట్ వింగ్స్కి తగిలిందన్నమాట ఆ ఎండ వామ్ వెచ్చనితనం, అండ్ యాడెడ్ షీన్ టు దెమ్, షైన్ అవ్వింది ఆ రేస్కి. హస్మినాస్ బటర్ఫ్లై లుక్ సింప్లీ గార్జియస్, చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. ఇన్ని మంచి మంచి కలర్స్లో ఉంది కదా. ఈవెన్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ క్లాసెస్ కేమ్ టు సీ ఇట్. Hasmina's science teacher was very happy that everyone could study a trapped butterfly so closely. Hasmina felt very proud. అక్కడ లైవ్ బటర్ఫ్లై ఉండేసరికి ఈవెన్ ద టీచర్ వాజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ హ్యాపీ, ద స్టూడెంట్స్ వేర్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు సీ దట్ లైవ్ బటర్ఫ్లై. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ వెరీ ఫైన్. Now I want to ask you some questions. Have you ever tried to catch a butterfly? Have you ever tried to catch a butterfly? Yes or no? Did you succeed in your efforts? Did you succeed? Okay. What did Hasmina's plan to do with the butterfly? What was her actual plan? Can anybody say? You please think of it. I'll say the answers at the end. While going back home that day, she took her favorite route through Rashmi's auntie's garden. Okay, she bought a butterfly and okay, everything went on well, and the evening after the school was over, she went to Rashmi's auntie's garden. Bushes grew widely there and the place teemed with birds and insects. అక్కడ ఇంకా చాలా birds, insects ఉన్నాయి. Hasmina felt like putting all the insects she saw into the bottle. But she was very excited and very many praises were there for her in the school. The teacher praised her, the students also were very excited. So what happened? She wants to put many more living creatures inside it. But she checked herself as she wanted her butterfly to have enough space. Okay, if I put all these again, my butterfly space won't be sufficient for it. So it stopped. So actually she stopped dumping them into that jar. That night Hasmina suddenly woke up around midnight. She went to the study table and patted the lid of the bottle lightly. The butterfly did not move. Hasmina thought it was asleep. She shook the jar. So what, it went into the suddenly she woke up from her sleep and she went into the room. She went into the study table and she was checking the butterfly. It didn't move. It was asleep. పడుకుని ఉంది. పడుకునేసరికి then again she tapped అంటే ఇట్లా అన్నమాట. అనేసరికి ఏమైంది అది? Then what she did? But the butterfly remained still. It still didn't move. Hasmina got worried. What happened? So what, she felt very afraid. Worried, actually not afraid, worried. She splashed a little water into the jar. అప్పుడు కొన్ని నీళ్ళు తీసుకుని దాని మీద ఇలాగా స్ప్లాష్ చేసింది. The water seemed to help. The butterfly shivered a little. So as soon as the water fell on it, it shivered itself. You know now dogs, the cats, they shiver when you pour water on them. What they do, they just shake their bodies. So in the same way, the butterfly also did the same. Hasmina heaved a sigh of "Amma, it's good," she thought. Sitting on her bed, she stared at the jar for a long time. The butterfly was still again. Malli, it was very calm like this. It didn't move. It was not very happy actually. After a while, Hasmina got up and holding the bottle tightly in her hand. So again she was feeling very uncomfortable. Why is it very still? Why the butterfly is not moving? So again she got up and she held the bottle very tightly in her hand. She went to her window. The air outside was fresh and cool. She opened the lid of the bottle and shook it gently. So what is it going on? Again she took the bottle and she kept it near the door and she opened the lid. She opened the lid and it shook it gently. కొంచెం ఇలాగా కదిపేది. The butterfly started to move slowly as if waking from a deep sleep. సో పడుకుని లేచితే ఎలాగ మనకి ఉంటుంది అలానే లేచిందంట. It perched itself on the edge. So as soon as she opened that lid, it perched itself onto the edge. Edge అంటే పైకి వచ్చింది. It waited there for a long time. Hasmina also waited. Hasmina waited and this butterfly also waited there at the edge for a long time. All of a sudden the butterfly began to flutter its wings. Suddenly it fluttered its wings. To Hasmina, the sight of the fluttering wings was magical. Suddenly there was a loud thud from the garden outside. She was turned and she turned towards the sound. So it was fluttering అంటే it was కొట్టుకుంటుందన్నమాట తన వింగ్స్తో బటర్ఫ్లై కొట్టుకుంటుంది. So it was very strange to Hasmina. Suddenly what happened? It was a loud thud. Thud and పెద్ద సౌండ్ వచ్చింది గార్డెన్లో. outside and she turned towards the sound. So ekkadaithe sound vastundho akkadiki Hasmina she turned herself back. A coconut had fallen from the tree. Oka pedda coconut chettu nundi padindi. When Hasbina looked at the jar again, she found the butterfly gone. Suddenly the butterfly, it flew away. She sat staring at the empty bottle for a while. She was very disappointed. The butterfly had left her. So she sat and she was staring at the bottle for a while, feeling a little empty herself. She was very happy actually, but she was very happy that she had sent the butterfly back to her where it belonged. But still she was very happy. ఆ బటర్ఫ్లై ఎక్కడ ఉండాలో అక్కడికే పంపించేశాను కదా అని చెప్పి తను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయింది. Children, coming to the summary of the lesson, just I'll go through the lesson once again, just orally I'll give it again. Hasmina's class project required her to submit a study of living creature. What is it? Hasmina's class project, science class project, it required to, she was asked to submit a live butterfly. Hasbina wanted to present a live butterfly. Actually, many of her friends, they drew the butterfly, life cycle of a butterfly. But what she did, she submitted a live butterfly. Then what she did, she took it to the school and everything was well and she was very happy. But once she went to Rashmi auntie's garden, she felt something disturbed because other creatures were very happy flying in the air, but that butterfly was inside the jar, and the butterfly was also not very comfortable in that jar because it didn't have food, good air, and the butterfly must have felt like it was inside a prison. So what this Rashmi did, she was disturbed that night. So she went near the butterfly and it opened the jar, and as soon as she opened and she tapped that jar, the butterfly, it came to the edge of that jar. So it wanted to go away, isn't it? So last it flew off. Actually what Hasbina did is not very correct, isn't it? Birds, you should not keep that insects inside, you should not, that is not good thing, isn't it? So what Hasbina did is not very right, but she was very caring to the butterfly and she loved that very much. She took much care for that butterfly. So last thing is, what Hasbina did is not very good because natural habitants ni atla jar lo bandinchtam, it's not right.